Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 new Axial RC cars and trucks of 2025. After extensive research across several websites, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're looking for the best price, top performance, or a specific type of use, I'm here to help. For more details about each product, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but rather a product showcase. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave your like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The Axial RC Truck 1/24th SCX24 Ford Bronco Heritage Edition is a compact crawler that delivers realism, durability, and performance right out of the box. It features an officially licensed Ford Bronco Heritage Edition hardbody, packed with authentic scale details that give it a premium and realistic look on any terrain. Its structure is built on strong steel C-channel frame rails, providing impressive rigidity and long-lasting durability. To handle uneven surfaces with confidence, the truck uses oil-filled shocks, which help absorb impacts and offer smoother, more controlled suspension movement. The model comes fully equipped with the Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio system, ensuring precise, interference-free control. It also includes a Spectrum 350 mAh LiPo battery and a convenient USB charger, making it completely RTR, ready to run the moment you take it out of the box. With full-time 4x4 traction, a reliable brushed motor, and a tough overall construction, the SCX24 Ford Bronco Heritage Edition is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a highly capable, realistic, and fun 1/24th scale rock crawler. It's the perfect blend of detail, performance, and convenience. Number 4. The Axial UTV10 Capra 1.94 WS Unlimited RTR Trail Buggy is designed for ultimate off-road adventures, delivering precision and performance straight out of the box. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rock crawler, this 1/10th scale beast is built to tackle the toughest terrains with ease. Equipped with 4-wheel steering for unmatched maneuverability, the Capra features officially licensed Proline Mickey Thompson Baja Pro X tires mounted on Holcomb 1.9 beadlock wheels. Dual-stage open-cell foam inserts provide superior grip and control on rough terrain. Durability is key, with stainless steel suspension links, pivot balls, and aluminum oil-filled shocks, ensuring smooth and stable handling. The Curry F9 portal axles offer increased ground clearance, making it easier to overcome obstacles. Powering the Capra is an Axial 540 motor paired with a Spectrum Firma 40A brushed waterproof ESC. Steering precision is enhanced with dual Spectrum S 683/25T waterproof metal gear servos, while the Spectrum SR 515 DSMR 5-channel receiver and DX3 2.4 GHz transmitter provide responsive and reliable control. Available in yellow or orange, the Axial UTV10 Capra 4WS is ready to run. Just add your battery and charger and get ready for the ultimate crawling experience. Number 3. Meet the Axial SCX24 Toyota 4Runner, a 1/24th scale micro rock crawler that delivers big on both performance and realism. Officially licensed by Toyota, this detailed ABS hardbody replicates the iconic 2024 4Runner, making it perfect for collectors and RC trail fans alike. Don't let its size fool you. This rig is built to perform. It features full-time 4-wheel drive, oil-filled shocks, a 3-link front, and 4-link rear suspension, and worm gear axles for extra ground clearance and natural downhill braking. It's ready to tackle any challenge with Proline Toyo Open Country RT tires and black beadlock wheels. Ideal for crawling over obstacles indoors or out, whether on your desk or a backyard trail. Everything you need is included. a 2-channel Spectrum SLT 2 transmitter with speed-limiting options for beginners, water-resistant electronics, a rechargeable Spectrum LiPo battery, USB charger, and 4 AA batteries for the remote. Perfect for all skill levels, the SCX24 Toyota 4Runner is more than just a scale model. It's a complete adventure-ready package in the palm of your hand. Number 2. The Axial SCX-103 Coyote is a 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive rock crawler built to deliver realistic looks, rugged durability, and outstanding trail performance. It rides on the proven SCX-103 steel C-channel chassis with AR45P portal axles, giving extra ground clearance and smooth climbing ability. The front axle even includes built-in overdrive for sharper steering and better control on steep terrain. Its multi-link suspension with oil-filled coilover shocks keeps the truck stable and planted across rocks, roots, and uneven trails. Power comes from a 35T brushed motor, a waterproof Spectrum 40A ESC, and a metal-geared waterproof steering servo, all included and pre-installed. The Spectrum SLT2 radio offers throttle limiting at 50% or 75%, perfect for new drivers learning the ropes. The Coyote stands out with a Proline Coyote clipless body, easy to remove with a rear hinge system, no body clips needed. Licensed Maxxis Trepador tires on KMC Grenade wheels provide aggressive grip and scale realism. With its tough electronics, portal axles, and attention to scale detail, the SCX-103 Coyote is the perfect ready-to-run crawler. Number 1. The Axial SCX-30, the ultra-compact 1/30 scale rock crawler that delivers big performance in a pocket-sized package. Designed for crawling anywhere, from your living room to outdoor trails, the SCX-30 combines realistic scale detail with impressive off-road capability. Built on the proven SCX platform, it features a full-time 4-wheel drive drivetrain, angled skid plate, and high-clearance links, helping it glide smoothly over rocks and rough terrain. Its forward weight bias and low center of gravity give it exceptional stability on steep climbs, while the solid front and rear axles ensure confident traction on every surface. Powered by an 88-turn brushed motor and a 2SL IPO battery, the SCX-30 delivers smooth, controlled torque for precision crawling. It comes ready to run with a Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio, battery, and USB charger all included. Available in officially licensed Jeep Wrangler, JLU, or Ford Bronco bodies, the SCX-30 captures true scale realism, complete with rugged tires and beadlock-style wheels. Compact, capable, and full of detail, the Axial SCX-30 brings the adventure anywhere you go. Big crawler performance, now in the palm of your hand. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.